Tired of crumbs, pet hair, and dirt everywhere? Meet the black+decker dustbuster AdvancedClean Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Reason 1. Cordless convenience for home, car, and everywhere else. No more tangled cords or searching for outlets, just grab and go. Lightweight design makes it easy to carry and use anywhere. Reason 2. Powerful 16V max. Lithium-ion battery delivers strong suction. Tackle dirt, debris, and stubborn pet hair with ease. Cyclonic action keeps the suction strong and consistent every time. Reason 3. Versatile tools for every cleaning challenge. Rotating slim nozzle reaches tight, hard-to-clean spaces easily. Pull-out crevice tool gets between couch cushions and chair seats. Flip-up brush is perfect for dusting and cleaning upholstery. Multi-surface use. Carpets, car interiors, furniture, and more. Ideal for homeowners, pet owners, and car users alike. Compact design makes storage simple. Stash it in a closet or trunk. Translucent bagless dirt bowl lets you see when it's full. Empty the dirt bowl easily without touching the mess. Washable dirt bowl and filter. Just rinse in the sink. No need to buy replacement bags or filters. Perfect for quick cleanups in kitchens, cars, and offices. Great for busy professionals, families, and pet parents. Lightweight ergonomic design reduces wrist and arm fatigue. Clean up spills, crumbs, and pet fur in seconds. Keep your car spotless after road trips or daily commutes. Pet hair on the couch? Gone in a flash. Kids' snack messes? No problem, just grab and vacuum. Cyclonic action spins dust away from the filter. Enjoy consistently powerful suction, even with frequent use. Nozzle rotates 180 degrees for ultimate flexibility. Reach under furniture, between seats, and into corners. Flip-up brush lets you dust shelves and clean upholstery. Crevice tool extends to clean windowsills and baseboards. Rechargeable battery means you're always ready to clean. Charge it up and tackle messes anytime, anywhere. No more dragging out the big vacuum for small jobs. Perfect for apartments, dorms, and small spaces. Keep one in your car for on-the-go cleaning. Great for RVs, boats, and campers. Take it anywhere. Easy View Dirt Bowl shows you exactly when to empty. No more guessing or overfilling, just quick, clean disposal. Washable filter keeps maintenance simple and cost-effective. No extra bags or filters to buy. Just rinse and reuse. black+decker is a trusted brand in handheld vacuums. Join thousands of satisfied users who love their dustbuster. Effortlessly clean up after pets, kids, and daily life. Say goodbye to dust bunnies and hidden crumbs. Keep your home, car, and workspace spotless with ease. Designed for busy lifestyles, clean up in seconds, not minutes. No more excuses for mess, just quick, powerful cleaning. Perfect gift for new homeowners, pet lovers, and students. Upgrade your cleaning routine with cordless convenience. Experience the freedom of portable, powerful suction. Never miss a spot with a rotating slim nozzle. Clean high traffic areas, stairs, and tight corners easily. Lightweight enough for anyone to use, no heavy lifting. Store it in your kitchen, garage, or car trunk. Always be ready for unexpected messes and spills. Save time and energy with quick, efficient cleaning. No more dragging out bulky vacuums for small jobs. Enjoy a cleaner, fresher home and car every day. Ready to make cleaning easier and faster? Don't wait. Upgrade to the black+decker dustbuster today. Click the link to check out more details and reviews. See why users everywhere love this cordless handheld vacuum. Order now and experience the difference for yourself. Say goodbye to mess and hello to convenience. Take action. Make cleaning effortless with black+decker. Don't miss out on this cleaning game changer. Your home, car, and life will thank you. Get yours today and enjoy spotless spaces every day.